This paper is made of or made from tree. This handbag is made of or made from or made with wool. This t-shirt is made of or made from cotton. This flower vase is made of or made out of water bottle. This cake is made of, made from or made with flour, chocolate powder and sugar. Hello everyone, this is Sujata from Bliss Vibes Learning English. We always love to talk about our clothes, food, furniture, kitchen items or any handcrafted showpiece. And sometimes we feel confused whether it will be made of, made from, made with or made out of something. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about some daily used common words which are formed with made plus prepositions. Made is the third form or past participle form of the main verb make. It's followed by of, from, with, out of to describe how something is built from, how something is fabricated from, how something is composed of. So, let's begin to learn some useful words to clear our confusion to speak freely and confidently. Number 1, made from. That means built from. Made from is used to refer how something is manufactured. After producing, the material of this particular thing will be completely changed. Bricks are made from a mixture of clay and sand. Paper is made from tree. When we look at the paper, no longer we can see the tree. Wine is made from grapes. When we open the bottle of wine and peep into the bottle, no longer we can see the grapes. Made of means composed of. We use made of when material of a particular thing is not changed but its form and function is changed. We use clothes made of cotton. This cup is made of glass. In this context, the form and function is definitely changed but still it's glass. Made with refers to the ingredients used to make food and drink. There must be one more important element. My daughter loves to drink banana milkshake made with banana, coconut milk and sugar. She also loves to eat cake made with millet, walnut and jaggery. In this context, I have talked about the ingredients of food and drink which have one more important element. We use made out of when we take something and use it for something else after transforming it. For example, this flower vase is made out of wine bottle. In this context, we have used a particular object for other purpose. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson and learned where to use made of, made from, made with and made out of. So that's it for today's lesson. Don't forget to connect with me on Facebook and YouTube and don't forget to share your comments. See you soon for another lesson. Thank you for watching.